Nature's wealth, good for your health. This is the Raw Life Health Show.
Hello everybody, it's Paul with the Raw Life Health Show, and I am just about to be eating this amazing meal tonight. I'm eating a raw lasagna. I haven't had raw lasagna in a long time, and I'm also eating a cucumber dill salad. I'm going to show you what they look like, and we're going to hear about the ingredients and what's in here from Chef Laura, who just made these, and absolutely delicious. So I just want to encourage everybody. I'll put the recipe, if you're a member of the Raw Life Health Show, I'll put it under the recipe on the site there. And these aren't difficult to make. Now let's find out what's in here. And let me show you a little bit closer what I'll be eating tonight. Okay, so there's the lasagna. Look how beautiful that looks. So beautiful. All raw vegan. And this is one of my favorite salads that I had this. This is a cucumber dill mustard salad. So, Sister Laura,
Hello.
Hello. Tell us what's in the lasagna.
So lasagna has tomato sauce. It has macadamia cheese, which is supposed to be fermented for 24 hours, but it can be used unfermented as well. It just needs 24 hours, so I thought I'd just make a quick one. And it has a walnut meat sort of substitute for actual meat, and a pesto, and then there's some actual tomato slices which are cut up, and some spinach in there as well, and of course it's made with zucchini.
Okay, and what about this mustard dill salad?
So I cut up and peeled cucumbers and sliced them into thin strips, and with the mustard dressing, so I put one avocado, some olive oil, dill, mustard, a little bit of honey, and I think salt and pepper, I think. Apple cider vinegar as well. And I think that's all. And I sort of just mix it with a blender and pour it onto the cucumbers.
Now, where did you get these recipes from?
One of it's from a book, and then the lasagna I got online.
Okay, where online? Did you just search and found it?
Yes.
Okay, so what's?
So it's the rawchef.com.
Yes,
there's many great recipes.
Yeah, everybody, the rawchef.com.
Yeah.
Great website for recipes,
yeah.
rawchef.com. And here it is. Look how beautiful this is. So it's very filling. All raw food is filling, but check that out. It looks like real lasagna. And then there's that, my favorite. So I'm going to taste this right now, and we'll see how it is. Okay, everybody, remember that website, rawchef.com. And again, I'll put the recipe below. If you're a member of the Raw Life Health Show, you'll see it under the video. If not, check it out. It's only $1 to check it out for 3 days. So this is just one of my favorite salads. It's cucumbers, and there's a dressing there with I think it's olive oil, mustard, and dill is the main ingredients. So good. So good. And I've been to many raw food restaurants over the years. I've never tasted food as good as Chef Laura's. So good. It's so beautiful, I don't even want to cut it. Wow. Alrighty. Now, if you go to a raw restaurant, you can get lasagna, but it's usually the most expensive thing on the menu. Wow. Wow. Food to live for. I don't think people would know it wasn't raw if they tasted it. They might think it's leftovers because it's cold, but wow. Amazing. So I've gotten away from raw food recipes for a while because I just couldn't find any good ones in the store. I started making my own again and loving them and finding recipes and making myself. I don't necessarily trust all the ingredients that the stores might put in it, but Sister Laura has been finding the best recipes and making them and they're so good. They're so good, and they're not difficult to make. How long did you think this takes to make? Very,
Lasagna.
yeah.
Besides the assembling, it was maybe like 15 minutes just to make each.
Yeah, maybe a half hour tops you can make this, and this is the first time. The more you do it, the easier to guess. How long did this towel take to make?
Oh, I'm kind of used to making that now, so like
5 minutes or so. You get used to these things. So, so yeah. If you have any comments or questions, post them below. And I promise you, even if you have children, they're gonna love this. It's so good. So, bon appetit. Food to live for. Raw, vegan. Way to go. Have a great day, everybody, and have a great raw life.
Nature's wealth, good for your health. This is the Raw Life Health Show. Raw Life, brighten up your life.